Hello moguls.
Hello.
This is Gaurav Mishra, CEO of Rowheels. Rowheel is a maker of revolutionary wheelchair technology. There are about 3.5 million users of wheelchairs just in the US. This number is growing. The bad news is that 70% of these users end up with upper limb injuries. This happens due to the associated pushing motion which has existed in the wheelchairs from last 140 years. The good news is that Rowheels has developed a patented technology with its pulling and rowing motion that not only overcomes this significant medical problem, but it also helps the user to strengthen their upper body. Now the exciting news, Rowheels will launch this technology, the Revolution 1.0 wheelchair, through a disruptive business model, direct to consumer, through its online e-commerce site. This chair, for example, will go under $1,000 on our site, already launched. And normally this would have been insurance claim for more than $5,000. Significant healthcare savings and convenience to users. The site will further develop into an online marketplace with broader range of medical devices and ensure automatic insurance claim and prescription process through the site, making it a mini Amazon of medical devices. The medtech talent, engineers and the STEM graduates coming out of the state of Wisconsin will help us execute this model successfully.
To me, you have a lot of different things going on. And so I'm confused personally. What is your vision and mission? Is it more into the technology of the product, or is it more into this Amazon, mini Amazon model to disrupt this medical industry?
So I've been associated with this industry for a long time. I was global president for a very big giant in this industry, headquartered in Germany.
Okay.
And then I decided to take this role for the startup company because I saw a big niche in the market which exists in the durable medical equipment devices. So one is that you can penetrate with the product in a normal way. We will continue to develop our own products. But more than that, this industry is under a massive shakeup right now. There is a lot of development to give the cost savings to the healthcare provider. So we are bundling both of that.
I think it's wonderful. I think it's wonderful. I deal with clients and friends all day long who rely on wheelchair. My wife and I pushed my mother for years and years in her wheelchair, and it is part of the body. It's absolutely quality of life. It's a life changer.
Yes.
And it's getting bigger and bigger, as you mentioned. So I don't think there's a big need. I think there's an enormous need, and it's growing. Sometimes it affects almost as much the person who's trying to help their loved one, get them around, get them in a car, get them in and out. And the people that are in the chair truly appreciate it.
It's one fold in, and that's how it will come to the user. They will roll it out of the box, transfer to the chair, ready to roll.
And there's no one doing this today?
Nobody.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
This is quite impressive.
I hope you guys can join us.
Very much.
Thank you very much.
David, what were some of your thoughts between this Amazon, but the product launch?
Trying to get direct to the consumer, it's a noble idea, and he's correct. You wouldn't imagine how much certain companies and others charge for any of these devices, which are necessary. You don't really have a choice. You have to pay whether it's $10,000, $8,000, or $6,000. So I think it's a noble idea to try to get direct to the consumer, because there's certainly a need for that.